So today we are going to talk about chemical formulas. So what are chemical formulas? Chemical formulas shows the element present in a substance and the number of atoms of each element. For example, that is a formula H2O. That is for what? Water. There is two hydrogen, one oxygen. Okay, carbon dioxide, same, one carbon, two oxygen. Okay, that is sodium chloride. That is NaCl. That is ammonia. Ammonia has one nitrogen and three hydrogen. Okay, and methane, that is CH4. That means it has one carbon and four hydrogen. Why chemical formulas are important? Chemical formulas tell us which elements are present, okay, and the ratio of atoms or ions. How to write a chemical equation correctly, okay? Symbol of common elements: hydrogen H, oxygen O, nitrogen N, carbon C, sodium Na, potassium K, magnesium Mg, calcium Ca, aluminum Al, chlorine Cl, fluorine F, bromine Br, iodine I, sulfur S, P, phosphorus P. You have to remember these names. Okay, when we will move to the higher part, then we will use them to calculate number of moles and stuff like that. Okay, types of chemical formulas. Some elements exist in a single atom. For example, all of the noble gases: helium, neon, argon, iron, copper. Okay, diatomic molecules, they exist. Element exists naturally as a molecule containing two atoms. Okay, remember H, O, F, Br, I, N, Cl. I will tell you what is that. Hydrogen H2, that is in diatomic form. Oxygen O2, that is also diatomic form. Fluorine F2, bromine Br2, iodine I2, nitrogen N2, and Cl2, chlorine. Most of the non-metals gases are in diatomic form. Ionic compounds are formed when the metal reacts with non-metals. Okay, the overall charge must be zero. Now we will talk about common positive ions or cations. Okay, hydrogen is a non-metal cation. All the other metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, silver, magnesium has two plus two charge. Calcium also has a plus two charge. Zinc Zn plus two. Copper has two charges. Most of the time it is Cu plus two. Iron has also two charges, Fe plus two and Fe plus three. Aluminum has always plus three. Okay, negative charges are most of the non-metals except hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, Cl minus, Br minus, iodine, I minus, O minus 2, sulfide, S minus 2, nitrite, N minus 3. Common polyatomic molecules. Okay, poly means many atomic molecules. Okay, where there are more than one molecule. For example, hydroxide OH minus, nitrate NO3 minus, carbonate is CO3 minus 2, sulfate is SO4 minus 2, ammonium is NH4 plus, and hydrogen carbonate is HCO3 minus. So how we can write ionic formulas? Write the ion charge. For example, sodium is Na, chlorine is Cl minus. So balance this equation. Na plus Cl gives us NaCl. Okay. So N is positive charge, plus 1 and minus 1, they will cancel out each other. For example, magnesium chloride. Magnesium has plus 2 charge and chlorine has minus 1 charge. So we need two chlorides. Okay. So that will become MgCl2. Okay. Plus 2 on MgCl minus 1. So that is minus 1 into 2. That would give us minus 2. So it will balance it out. Aluminum oxide. Aluminum here has plus 3 charge, oxygen has minus 2 charge, so we will need 2 ammonium, so that will make plus 6, and 3 oxygen, that will make minus 6. So that will be Al2O3. Now calcium nitrate. We know calcium has plus 2 charge and nitrate has NO3 minus 1 charge. Okay, that is minus 1. Okay, so we need 1 calcium and 2 nitrogen nitrate ions. Okay, NO3 whole 2. Okay, ammonium sulfate, NH4 plus SO4 minus 2. So we need two ammonium atoms and one sulfate atom. So that will be SO4, and ammonia is NH4 whole twice. Covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are those compounds that are formed between non-metals and non-metals. For example, water. Water is H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide is CO, methane is CH4, Ammonia is NH3, sulfur dioxide is SO2, and nitrogen dioxide. Di means two, so that is NO2. So what does that mean? Mono means one. Okay. Di means two. Tri means three. That is a simple. Tetra four, penta five, hexa 6. Okay, so that is why you can see carbon monoxide, that means it has one oxygen. Mono oxide, oxygen, so that is one oxygen. Carbon dioxide means one carbon, two oxygen atoms. Dioxide. Okay. Sulfur trioxide means one sulfur, three oxygen. Okay. Dinitrogen tetra oxide, it means di means two nitrogen and tetra oxides mean four oxygen. Brackets are used when there is more than one polyatomic ions. For example, CaNO3 whole twice, NH4 2 SO4. Okay, CaNO, that is 32. No, it should be like this bracket. We need bracket too. That means NO3. There are two. That means calcium is bonded with two NO3 ions. Okay, NO3 minus one ions. Okay, that is plus two. So they will cancel out one. They will cancel out each other. Okay. Calcium, how we can count atoms? How many calciums are there? One. How many nitrogen? One nitrogen is here, so it will be multiplied by 2 because NO3 whole twice, so that will be 2. Oxygen is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Common formulas to remember. Okay, these formulas you have to remember. H2O, that is water. Sodium chloride NaCl, carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, methane CH4, ammonia is NH3, magnesium oxide MgO, calcium carbonate CaCO3, and sodium hydroxide NaOH, and sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, hydrochloric acid HCl, and sodium sulfate Na2SO4, carbon hydroxide CaOH whole twice, and aluminum oxide is Al2O3. That's all about it.